All right, welcome back. So, project for today, I ordered some of this Noiko black 80 mil sound deadening mat. It's the butyl type, peel and stick. This stuff, I believe, comes out of Russia. I researched a bunch of different brands, Dynamat, Killmat, Noiko, and this particular stuff was affordable and it was pretty well regarded across all the different websites I researched it on. Amazon, eBay, Summit carries it. So I went ahead and opted for this particular stuff, and the project for today is get it installed in the 47. I'm gonna get some on this back wall here and get some up on the roof, and then I think we'll probably work under the dash, but we won't get that far tonight. And you're supposed to roll this stuff on. It has some texture, and then they say when the texture is gone, that's when you know you're done. I'm just going to use this little steel wheel here to roll it, but the tricky part is going to be slipping it behind this trim piece. So I'm going to figure out how to get that done. So if we're being 100% honest with each other, I've never actually worked with this stuff. If you guys have worked with it and like had similar scenarios as this, I'd be interested in hearing some tips and tricks. All right, so as you can see, I've got the Neuco deadener all over the back here. And then I went ahead and put some of this foam on top of that Neuco deadener. And it made a big difference. Listen to this. There's no resonance on there. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way that this all turned out. Back window in, you saw us getting those in. Front windows are in. Windshield wiper. I did have to do some mods on this windshield wiper motor. I made you a tiny little video on that. Here's the only other thing I'm sort of worried about is here and here. I've never done these split windows before, and I'm not sure if you're supposed to put urethane in here or what. So if anybody knows, go ahead and comment down below. Give me a heads up. And these are tinted. These are very slightly tinted. The side ones are really dark. The back one's really dark, and I did the windshield ever so slightly. So this is that foam that I used. Decent product. It's really lightweight, but boy, it really did make a difference on that roof. And you can see here on the floor pans under the seats, I went ahead and put some of this deadener also. I think the mufflers are going to be somewhere down here, so I kind of wanted to make sure I had plenty of deadener